Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. You don't have to live in pain. Researchers have discovered that abnormal motion patterns are a leading cause of chronic aches and pains. As a result, healthcare organizations now recommend spinal adjustments as one of the most evidence-based care options to find natural pain relief. When you focus on the structure and function of your spine, you allow for maximum expression of your health. Gentle adjustments to your spine help restore normal motion patterns and can relieve pain, improve your range of motion, and influence your nervous system to improve your overall function. We suggest that you look at your body holistically and consider implementing recommended stretches and exercises, nutritional supplementation, and even at-home care, which can help improve the results of your care here in the office. Here are 3 key takeaways. Our care is focused on the structure and function of your body, spine, and nervous system. The American College of Physicians recommends spinal adjustments as an alternative to pain-relieving drugs. And finally, spinal adjustments work by stopping pain signals traveling between your brain and body. They help improve the range of motion of your joints, and they influence your nervous system function. Some of the more common issues we help people with in our practice are headaches, low back pain, neck pain, spinal disc issues, and joint pain. Spinal adjustments can be extremely effective at helping you find quick relief from pain, plus additional side effects such as increased energy, improved sleep, and better performance. My name is Dr. Jeff Langmaid, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.